Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make amazing lemon madeleines. Madeleines paired with lemon is classic and everybody loves it. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Right, let's go through the ingredients. Here I've got whole eggs, lemon zest, and milk, sugar and honey, and the honey will keep your madeleine moist for longer. Cake flour and baking powder, and finally, melted butter. I'm going to use the melted butter at around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. And by the way, you would have noticed that I've used lemon zest here when I'm making this lemon madeleine. You might ask why I'm not using lemon juice. But in order to get that lemon flavor and lemon aroma in your madeleines, it's much more effective to use the zest rather than the lemon juice. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to use the lemon juice. I will use it later for the icing. First the milk goes in, and then the sugar and the honey. And then mix well. You want your sugar and honey to dissolve completely. So you want your milk and whole eggs to be at room temperature. So my sugar and honey have dissolved completely, so I'm going to add in my sifted flour and baking powder. Right now I'm going to add in my melted butter, but the temperature has dropped while I was working on this. So I'm going to heat it back up to around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius and then use it. Right, everything's mixed well. All the melted butter has mixed in nicely. So now I'm going to pipe it into the madeleine pan. Right, now I'm going to pipe the batter into the madeleine pan. The pan I'm using today is silicone coated, which means I don't need to grease it with butter and it's very, very convenient. And also this pan is very deep in terms of the cavity, which means that when you bake it, you'll get that very big belly. Right, now I'm going to bake this in the preheated oven. Right, so madeleines have come out of the oven. I've let them cool down and look how nice they are. Look at how big the bellies are, thanks to the shape of the cavity of the madeleine pan. Now, the final step is to add a bit more of the lemon. At the moment, I've got lemon zest inside the madeleines, but on top of that, I'm going to make some lemon icing and apply that. And that's really going to give that lemon vibe and the lemon flavor to these madeleines. You simply need to add the powdered sugar to the lemon juice and just mix them. I'm done with applying the lemon icing, so I'm now going to put it in the oven for a very short while and take it out. The madeleine is soft and the lemon zest together with the lemon icing on the outside really give that lemon flavor. So overall, it's an amazing lemon madeleine. Right, so how was it? Not difficult, right? It's quite easy to make the madeleine batter. Just pipe it into the pan and bake it. Once you're done with that, then you can just make the lemon icing pretty quickly. Just apply it and then put it in the oven and then take it out. It tastes amazing, so everybody's going to love it, so why not make it? Well, hope you've enjoyed this lemon madeleine video and I'll come back next time with another amazing recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. For more YouTube videos, please click here. If you want to take a step further with your baking and pastry, then please visit my website on www.hanbitshow.com. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.